Guys, it's Cami, and today we are playing Don't Press the Button 4. And I have already died within the 5 seconds of being in the game. Okay, get ready. Remaining. Oh no, I hate these. No, I always die. No, please don't kill me. I'm a young girl. Please. I have my whole life ahead of me. Maybe we can just hide here. Nobody will even see us. Nobody will see us. Nobody will see us. Nobody will see us. No. Nobody. Is this actually working? How has nobody saw me? I feel like somebody sees me. Okay. This is so easy. Because I'm hiding. It's so easy. Shoot! She found. Oh, good. It just ended when I did that. Acid is spreading. Oh, I was trying to get to the button thing so I could, like, be safe, you know? But instead, I was too late, so... Hug. So sad. So depressing. Okay. Huh? I'm confused. What? 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 Score a goal. 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 Okay. We just gotta make the ball get in. What? People! No! What are y'all doing? People. People! Bro, why did you do that? I swear. Why did people do that? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. How am I supposed to fight? I'm so tiny. I'm so tiny. How am I supposed to fight? With the hairbrush. This game, I swear it's rigged. This game is so rigged. Yep. It's unfair. So unfair. Very. Wait, what if I just leave? Oh. Okay. Oh, shoot. I meant to. Dang it. I'm awful at this game. I'm awful. Did I press the thing? I don't think I pressed. Color them. Oh, I'm blue. I'm blue. I'm blue. I'm blue. I'm blue. Why am I blue? Can you please explain to me why I'm blue? Why am I blue? I don't want to be blues. Oh, I swear that this person, I'm gonna kill her. She makes me mad already. What? Just go to your own little spot, person. Bro, go to your own spot. Okay. Just uncolor her tiles. And color back my titles. I said titles, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Okay. We're actually not doing too bad. Dang it. I didn't get any. Oh, I pressed the button last time. Yay! What? Oh, I thought I died. Oh. 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 Didn't realize it would disappear. Okay, that way. I don't know which way to go. Yes, I won! After following people, but I won! Okay, that's good. What is she doing? Is she trying to kill me? That is so rude. Didn't your parents not teach you not to play with guns? Like, what? I'm starting to think your parents didn't teach you that. It's okay. It's okay. Like, no, it's alright. Okay, I finally won something. I'm so happy. Why does it disappear so many times? Like, what? It disappears so fast. What? It disappears so fast. It's unfair to players. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm go back. I'm gonna go back. Oh, so can it not? Is it not over? Okay. Okay, finally. Did I push it? I don't think I did. Find a building with light. What? Unfair. Unfair. People are unfair sometimes. Oh my god. Oh my god! Impossible. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm done forever. Oh, I get it now. Okay, I get it now. I get it. I love how I was just raging and then I actually found it. Okay, I don't even know what that thing is. Why does it keep popping up on my screen? You have 2, 1. Oh yeah, let's push the button. Dang it, I didn't push it. Hurry to the ground. Did I do it? Did I do it? Did I do it? Do I did it? I did it! No! No! My poor soul. My poor soul. That was so sad. Enter the castle. Why do I need to enter the castle? Reach the end? Wait! I can't reach. Okay, we gotta go. I'm gonna wait. Oh, those poor souls. Go. Okay, I think I might just wait. Okay, we're doing good. I can't get up here. Okay. Will I beat the furthest? No, I probably won't. Go! Dang it. I thought I was gonna reach it. Whee! Woohoo! I did it! I made it. Yay. Did she not? Oh, she must have just joined. She probably just joined. Oh. She got the coin before me. That's so sad. Okay, you know, it's okay to be afraid. Be the first one to find the button and press it. I don't even know where the button would be. Oh, found it. Wait, did I not find it first? Oh, I thought I found it. Ah! Ah! Oh. Oh my god! I didn't even... Oh. Cheating. Get ready. I know why. I know why. I know why. I know why. Oh, dang it. Okay, bye.